This video clip we got a peugeot partner and we're going to change the rear axle bearings. Axle's worn, we're going to change these bearings. And today we're using a genuine citeron peugeot parts. And our next step, we're going to take off the rear arm. That's our next step. Now we've got our homemade puller. The axle stuck here, everything off. Now we're going to pull the axle off. Pushes the torsion bars through. So we'll line up the torsion bar, line up the shock hole, line up the plate behind the arm. So we tighten the puller, push the torsion bars through and pull off there. Should come off there now. There you go, one arm off. Our next step is clean up the axle and replace the bearings. That's our next step. Now you can see the bearings are badly worn. Things are well worn. So we now got the old colours here, both sides, and we replace the two bearings. So that's what's left of this one here. So this one will be on here, and the cup thing goes on last. Goes on here. So to get the two old bearings now, clean up the old stub here, clean up the axle and fit the bearings and grease her up well. And that's the next operation. And we'll fit a new torsion bar as well. One of the stabilising bars broke, so we replace that as well. So that's the next operation. We'll put her clean her up and just the two bearings here, and that's our next operation on our Peugeot axle. And you can see how this operation is done on other videos there, the Peugeot 205, not the same thing. And that's our next step now. We're going to clean her up and replace the two bearings. You can see this one's wore here, and we'll replace this one with this cleaner one. So we're going to change this whole arm here. The other one's a wee bit far gone for fixing. You could weld it up and buff it off. Another way of fixing it, you know, but just to have a better one here, I'll use this one instead. And you have a broken stabilising bar here as well, so just change the whole arm and put new bearings in this one. And that's our next step. Our next step now, a bit of grease and around the arm, and we'll put on this bearing first. I'll leave the other bearing to get the axle on. So this bearing's on now. Clean up the axle, put the whole thing on. Just pressure into this here. Nicely squared up. A block of wood, a hammer. No special tools required. Just a piece of 3x2 and a hammer and tap her in. No big deal. So our next step now, we're going to clean up the axle and we'll put the arm on and assemble her up as our next step. Now I've got her bearing now. Next step now, we put on the sand plate here and the brake disc, the brake chute.